Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 5th February 2025. Political news: Delhi Assembly elections. BJP challenges AAP amid corruption allegations. The Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is intensifying efforts to unseat the Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, in the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections. AAP, under Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, has been at the helm in Delhi for over a decade but is currently grappling with corruption accusations, including the arrest of key leaders on bribery charges. The BJP is leveraging these allegations in its campaign, while the AAP continues to emphasize its welfare initiatives and economic development. The tie-in is scheduled for Wednesday, with results anticipated on Saturday. Prime Minister Modi invited to meet President Trump. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has received an invitation from US President Donald Trump for a meeting at the White House next week. This follows a recent discussion between the two leaders focusing on immigration, the procurement of American security equipment, and equitable bilateral trade relations. India aims to strengthen trade ties with the US, streamline the visa process for its skilled workers, and avert potential tariffs threat by the US due to India's high tariffs on American products. The United States remains India's largest trading partner, with bilateral trade surpassing $118 billion in the 2023-24 period. Sports news: IPL's RPSG Group acquires stake in the hundreds Manchester Originals. The RPSG Group, owners of the Lucknow Super Giants in the Indian Premier League, IPL, has acquired a significant stake in the Manchester Originals franchise of the 100, a professional 100-ball cricket tournament in England. This move enhances RPSG's presence in short-form cricket, complementing their ownership of the Durban Super Giants in South Africa's SA20 League. Sanjeev Goenka's chairman, is expected to take an active role with the Manchester team. The agreement is pending final due diligence. ISL, Mohan Bagan's set-piece prowess in the Indian Super League, ISL, Mohan Bagan Super Giant has demonstrated exceptional proficiency in set-piece situations, leading the league with 19 goals from such scenarios, equaling FC Goa's record. Defender Subhasish Bose has been particularly impactful, contributing 6 goals, the highest among defenders this season. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.